In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change reading pane font size in Outlook. If the text in your email preview feels too small or you want it a bit larger for comfort, I'll walk you through a quick temporary zoom and a permanent setting so your changes stick. First, open Outlook from your desktop. Give it a moment to load fully. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so your inbox and folders appear. Once you're in, select any email in your mailbox. This lets you see the reading pane, which usually sits on the right or bottom of the window, and it's where your changes will be most noticeable. At the top of the Outlook window, click the View tab on the ribbon. This is your hub for how things look and feel. For a quick, temporary adjustment, choose Zoom. In the zoom controls, use the plus sign to increase or the minus sign to decrease the zoom level until the message preview feels comfortable to read. This is great for a one-off situation or a quick boost. Keep in mind, though, this zoom is temporary and may reset when you switch messages or restart Outlook, so it's ideal for short-term use. If you want a permanent change that you won't have to redo, stay on the View tab and click View Settings. A new window will pop up showing layout settings within Mail. Here, you can fine-tune the look of your mailbox, including the text you see in the reading pane. Find the section labeled Text Size and Spacing. You'll see options for small, medium, or large. Choose the one that feels best for your eyes. Medium is a solid default if you're unsure, while large offers the easiest readability on higher resolution screens. After you make your selection, click Save in that panel to apply the change. You'll return to the Settings window. Click Save again to confirm and close it. Your reading pane should now reflect the new text size across your emails, and this change will persist, so you won't need to adjust it every time. To recap, use Zoom on the View tab for a fast, temporary readability boost, and use View Settings, then Text Size and Spacing for a lasting change. Try moving between a few messages to make sure the size feels right in different emails. If it's not perfect, you can go back into View Settings and pick a different size at any time. That's it. Simple, clear, and easy on the eyes.